It is time now for Better Money with Eric Hogarth, and today we're talking about 4 major financial risks in retirement. Eric is a certified financial planner and partner at Johnson-Brunetti. Eric, thank you so much for being here.
Hi, Kara. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So as you get closer, retirement is exciting, but it can also be a scary time because there are some risks involved if you don't do things correctly.
There's a lot to plan for, absolutely.
Yeah, so number one, let's talk about that. The number one risk that most people are facing is just the inflation risk.
Everything's going to cost more in the future, right? So we're focused now, and there's different phases of retirement. The reality is if you're going to do big expenditures like move or big travel, you'll probably do it in the early years of retirement. But 20 years from now, everything's going to cost a lot more than it does today, and we need to anticipate that increase.
Okay. And number two, the fear of outliving your assets.
So this, again, gets into what things are going to cost in the future, but also growth. Is that, the market now has gone up for a long period of time, and we need to think about how we're going to grow this money, not just relying on the market, so that in the future, when we need more, we have more, and we don't have to worry about running out.
And then the third point being the long-term care and health risks. And this is, we see this happen to families where something unfortunate happens and the money starts disappearing quickly to pay for the healthcare costs.
It's the single biggest risk that retirees have. So in approaching retirement, you need to be thinking about how much money do we need to live on? And part of that budget is the health insurance cost. And as much as we want to hope for best case scenario, we also have to plan and prepare for worst case scenario. And an illness, again, could deplete your assets quicker than anything else, so you need to plan for that, and there's a few avenues to go down to address that. Okay.
And the last point you want to make for this part anyway is the risk of your returns underperforming. The stock market isn't always going to be going as gangbusters as it is right now.
It's very exciting, right? Every day we're reading new exciting things about the market is up, and it's great, but we all remember, the times it wasn't, the times it wasn't. And again, we need to hope best case scenario, plan and prepare for worst case scenario. In retirement, you want steady. It's exciting to get the highs, but you also need to focus on not getting all the way down in the lows. So you have to make some changes as you approach retirement and get into retirement with how you're investing and what you're expecting.
Well, to help people find that middle way, you have a free offer. It is the 2018 Guide to Maximizing Your Retirement Income. And this is yours for free. All you have to do is go to bettermoneystv.com and you can get Eric's offer sent to you. It's a great guide to help people out.
You should read this. Yeah. Get in touch with us, go to the link, and read this, because it'll get you thinking about not just how do I grow the money, but what's the best way to use the money and protect the money and keep the money.
Alrighty, thank you so much, Eric.
Thank you.
That's Better Money.